Good morning, students of class 7. Today we will discuss triangle inequality from the chapter 15. Students, the previous class we have discussed exercise 15b, last three questions. Hope that everyone understood the questions and answer. Let's start for today's topic, triangle inequality. Here the statement, look at, very important things is that in a triangle ABC, let BC is equal to A, CA is equal to B and AB equal to C. An important property satisfied by all the sides of a triangle is given below. This property known as triangle inequality. The statement of the property is very important, that is triangle inequality. The statement tells that the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third sides. Very important, students. The sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Okay, that means here the statement tells in a triangle three sides are there. So if we do add any two sides, then the addition of the two sides measurement will be greater than the third sides. Okay, so you can see here the experiment is given here. AB, BC, CA, three sides are there. Is AB is A, BC is here given. Sorry, here BC is given A, AC is given B, and AB is given C. Okay, so with this, look at here experiment. Triangle T1, T2, T3, three triangles are given. So here sides of triangle ABC, just put the measurement A plus B, B plus C, C plus A. Let's write the measurement. Computation, A plus B minus C, B plus C minus A, and C plus A minus B also have to write. Now what do you observe? You will find that each value of A plus B minus C is positive, each value of B plus C minus A is also positive, and each value of C plus A minus B also positive. Thus we can write A plus B minus C. Since this is a positive sign, so it should be greater than 0. So that means A plus B minus C greater than 0 implies we can write A plus B greater than C. Minus C, transposing to the right side, it will be plus C, that's why it will be plus B greater than C. Similarly, B plus C minus A greater than 0, and that is B plus C greater than A, and C plus A minus B greater than 0, that means C plus A greater than B. So we can say that the sum of any two sides of the triangle is greater than the third side. Okay, in the case, another one tells that this one, the difference of any two sides. In the case of difference, the difference of any two sides of a triangle is less than the third side. So students, the first property tells that the sum of two sides is greater than third side, but the difference of two sides of a triangle is less than third side. Okay, so be remember these two things. Okay, now here are some examples are discussing. Example number 1 tells that is it possible to draw a triangle the length of whose sides are given 3 cm, 4 cm and 5 cm. Students, here if we do the sum of any two sides, which will be greater than the third side, that means 3 plus 4, that is 7, is greater than 5. 4 plus 5, that is 9, also greater than 3. and 5 plus 3, that is 8, which is also greater than 4. So clearly the sum of any two of these numbers is greater than the third. Hence we can say that it is possible to draw a triangle whose sides are 3 cm, 4 cm and 5 cm. Okay. Next one, example number 2. Here tells that, example 2, is it possible to draw a triangle whose sides have given the length 10.3 cm, 5.8 cm and 4.6 cm. So three lengths are given. So just we have to be check that whether the sum of two sides, whether it is greater than third side or not. So clearly we can write the first two sides 10.3 plus 5.8 if we add, which is greater than 4.6. Similarly, the second measurement plus third measurement, that means 5.8 plus 4.6, 5.8 plus 4.6 also greater than 10.3. Okay, and the third one plus the first one, that means 10.3 plus 4.6 also greater than 5.8. So thus the sum of any two of these numbers is greater than the third one. So it is possible to draw the triangle whose sides are 10.3 centimeter, 5.8 centimeter and 4.6 centimeter. So hope the procedure you have understood. Okay. Example number 3 tells that, is it possible to draw a triangle whose sides are 5 semi, 7 semi and 12 semi. So consider the numbers 5, 7 and 12. Now here the first two numbers 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. So first two numbers is already not greater than the third one. This is equal. So no need to check the another two. So here you can write that the sum of two of these numbers is not greater than the third one. So thus it is not possible to draw a triangle whose sides are 5 semi, 7 semi and 12 semi. Okay. Example number 4 here tells that 3 points, very important things is that 3 points A, B and C are collinear. Okay, as shown in the figure. Can you draw the triangle ABC? If not, then why? Very good question. So look at students, here since the points A, B, C are collinear, so they lie on the same straight line obviously. Now we can write AB plus BC. AB, this one, plus BC, this one, is equal to AC, totally AC. But in the triangle, the property we know that in inequality, the sum of any two sides must be greater than the third side. If the property is satisfied, then we can draw a triangle, otherwise not. If the sum of two sides is equal to the third one, then we cannot draw. Okay, so here the property tells that the sum of any two sides must be greater than the third one. So hence it is not possible to draw a triangle ABC. Okay. The last example, example number 5, here tells that two sides of a triangle are 6 cm and 8 cm long. What can be the length of its third side? So look at here, let the length of third side you have to take just x centimeter. Now we know that the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third one. So that means we can write 6 plus 8 must be greater than the third one, that means x. That means 14, 6 plus 8 means 14, so 14 greater than x. 14 greater than x, we can write as x less than 14, both are same. 14 greater than x and x less than 14, both are the same meanings. 14 greater than x means 14 is greater than the value x, that means x is less than 14, so here written x less than 14. Also we know that the difference of any two sides of a triangle is less than the third one, second property. Okay, that means 8 minus 6 should be less than x. 8 minus 6 means 2, so 2 should be less than x. So 2 less than x and x greater than 2, both are same. Okay, So that means x greater than 2. So here the interval of the measurement of the sides should be 2 less than x less than 14. That means the measurement of x should be between 2 and 14. Hence the length of the third side must be larger than 2 centimeter and smaller than 14 centimeter. Very good question. Question number example number 5. Okay. So you must see all types of examples carefully, properly, and you must memorize the statements. Okay. Now exercise 15C. Question number 1. Is it possible to draw a triangle the length of whose sides are given below? So first one, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. So you have to write that, consider the measurement of the sides are 1 semi, comma 1 semi, comma 1 semi. So clearly we can see that here the sum of first two sides is greater than the third sides. So it is possible to draw a triangle. Okay. Number 2, 2 semi, 3 semi and 4 semi. Students, here also the same, 2 plus 3, that is 5. So you have to write first, consider the three sides, 2 semi, 3 semi and 4 semi. So now 2 plus 3 greater than 4, 3 plus 4 greater than 2 and 4 plus 2 greater than 3. So thus the sum of two sides of the triangle is greater than the third one. So hence it is possible to draw a triangle. So in this way here you can write. Okay. Now I am going to show just question number 2. Let's see. Question number 2 semi, 3 semi, 4 semi. So you have to write like that. Okay. Question number 2. So you have to write that, consider three sides two semi, comma 3 semi, comma 4 semi. Okay. Now two plus 3 greater than 4, then 3 plus 4 greater than 2, and 4 plus 2 greater than 3. So here the sum of three sides you write. Thus the sum of three sides, two sides, sum of two sides greater than third side. So therefore you write, it is possible to draw the triangle. Okay. So therefore it is possible to draw the triangle. Okay, so in this way you have to be solved. Okay, here question number 2. Two sides of a triangle are 5 semi and 9 semi long. What can be the length of the third side? So you can take that, let the third side be x. Okay, so now you write 5 semi plus 9 semi is greater than x, that means 9 plus 5, that is 14 semi, greater than x, that means x less than 14. Okay, and another statement, the difference of two sides will be the less than of the third side, means you can write the difference, that means 9 semi, that means 9 semi minus 5 semi is less than x. So 9 semi minus 5 semi means 4 semi, so 4 semi less than x, that means x greater than 4 semi. So we can write that 4 semi less than x less than 14 semi. So the third side must be greater than 4 semi and less than 14 semi. Okay, in this way question number 2 you can do it yourself. Number 3, if P be a point in the interior of triangle ABC, then fill in the blanks with greater than or less than or equal to. Look at here, number 1, PA plus PB, PA plus PB dash AB. So PA plus PB greater than AB, because in the triangle APB the two sides PA plus PB must be the greater than the third side, that means AB, so greater than. Okay, number 2, PB plus PC, PB plus PC must be greater than BC, so write greater than BC. Next one, AC, AC dash PA plus PC, PA plus PC, so AC it should be less than, so AC less than PA plus PC. Okay, so students, question number 1, 2, 3 today you have to be solved yourself. Next day we will solve the remaining questions. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.